Unintentionally, the Atheist Scientist. Carl Sagan Evidence God. Carl Edward Sagan, 1934 to 1996, was an American astrophysicist, cosmologist, educator, author, and science communicator. He is known for his work in exoplanet research, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, and for his popularization of science through television, books, and lectures. His works and ideas continue to inspire people around the world to explore the cosmos, seek knowledge, and advocate for critical thinking. On several occasions, Carl Sagan has addressed the possibility of receiving messages from outer space as concrete proof of the existence of extraterrestrial life. His emphasis was on the complexity of the information that would be necessary for such communication, transcending the capacities we know of non-biological communication. For Sagan, creating a language that can be understood by different civilizations with different evolutions and knowledge would be an immense challenge. The message would need to contain universal elements, such as mathematics and logic, to be decoded. He concludes that if one day we receive the following message from space: "Hey, is there anyone there?" it would be concrete proof of the existence of extraterrestrial life, because in this simple sentence there is a lot of information, complexity, and specificity that would never be the result of the case. Well, I fully agree with Sagan. Chance cannot generate information and specificity. Now, if we go to nature, will we find some sentence with information and complexity to the point of concluding that there was intelligence that produced it? The simple and straightforward answer is yes. Not just a sentence, more information that exceeds 6 billion bits, that is, much more than an entire collection of an encyclopedia. What am I talking about? From the basic unit of a living being, the cell. The amount of information contained in a cell is a fascinating and complex topic that unites all the sciences, chemistry, biology, physics, information theory, and many others. DNA, the fundamental molecule of life, is the main source of information within a cell. It is composed of a sequence of nitrogenous bases, adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine, that, like a code, stores the instructions for the construction and functioning of an organism. This DNA sequence is not just a set of letters, but rather a detailed manual that determines the production of proteins, molecules essential for life. Proteins perform several functions, such as building cell structures, catalyzing biochemical reactions, and transporting molecules. It is estimated that the human genome, composed of about 3 billion base pairs, contains approximately 6 billion bits of information. However, this basic quantification does not take into account the complex organization and context of DNA, which further amplify its informational value. This information from a cell goes beyond quantifying in bits. It manifests itself in the cell's ability to self-replicate, adapt to the environment, communicate with other cells, and perform complex functions such as cell division, cell differentiation, and response to stimuli. Well, in the face of Carl Sagan's challenge, that a single sentence cannot be the work of chance, we do not hesitate to conclude that chance, as materialist atheists want, could never produce such information that a single cell brings. The simple, clear, and objective conclusion is, an intelligence generated all this information. Now, it cannot be a simple intelligence to generate such an amount of information, it must necessarily be a mind with infinite intelligence to stick to so much specificity. This intelligence we humans call God.